kum kaminsim ban yarap lem ya kibriya ki bapang bastom baduk bakardo bat ki basyam lanat hadien ba ujumai bakrau ula lenshop hakari Nepal dangshen hakabadagi hajar ngut kibriya ki la do la kajong kajing em badru ya ki jingdan jing em nakaliang UMLA ka Shillong South uba Sanbor Shulai haka arp Southrik jeliu ula lek ban IT ya ka song pisa ka basilak lai hajar tengka ha ulat ka jela uvi shan muganathan kum ka jingno senyang lang ban yarap ya ki lanat ha Nepal ya katai ka pisa ka bala pha lingba ulat sya ka Prime Minister National Relief Fund uba Sanbor lasai na ka tulap ka bashibnai ka bau juyo kumunong mikman hakani ka sngi ka Greater Laban Gorkha Women Welfare Association ru kala snok tilang hakatai ka jingno senyang sya katai ka Relief Fund na ka benta ki lanat da ka pisa ka basan phaw hajar tengka halor kani ka benta na kaliang ulat haba pidang katai ka song pisa ka bala ai lingba ka demand draft ula ai ka jingero yo tainong mikmat ubala dan kaminse ban yarap lang ya ki para brio ki badan hakawai pat kari pat kumju ru ya katai ka senggen thai
Outset, I on behalf of the people of 19 South Shillong constituency would like to congratulate your honors for being appointed the governor of Meghalaya. I welcome you and your family to the Scotland of the East. It has been the
My
endeavors.
family is this is. Yes. This is my family.
It has been the endeavors of the people of the 19th South Shillong constituency to be with the people at the time of the need, and in continuation of the same, I am pleased to contribute a sum of rupees 1,03,000, only being my MLA salary, earning for 1 month. It's my humble belief that the people have elected me to serve them, and therefore, in continuation of the same, this my humble effort to be with the people of Nepal who have suffered due to the recent earthquake. Kindly accept this humble contribution and be kind enough to present the same to the Prime Minister National Relief Fund, which may be utilized for the relief of the earthquake victims of Nepal, and may God be with them in their moment of grief and crisis.
Wonderful, sir. You are good. And the check is demand draft. State Bank of India. 1,03,000 rupees. The television people can take up this also. It is very good, MLA. His own salary is giving.
Yes, 1 month.
MLA sir, you are given your own salary. That's nice. Good, very good.